Hey my beautiful people, so today I'm going to show you how to do this style that I feel like is great on all hair textures and all age groups. So the first thing you're going to need is a comb and some rubber bands and your favorite styling tools. So the first thing I'm going to do is part this hair from like a part of the ear kind of in the middle, because we're going to create this like semi braided rubber band looking like thing, that's gonna kind of create this waterfall swoop effect across the head. So you're gonna make your parts as big or as small as you want, and then you can do the same thing with the triangles not the triangles, I'm sorry, the squares that you're creating. Y'all, I have the worst little sinus headache right now, so bear with me if I start to say some random stuff that does not make sense. And then you're just gonna take that part that you created and put a rubber band on it, then create your next part and add that hair into the next part and put a rubber band on that, which you will see in a second. Oh yeah, I feel like I got hit in the face. My sinuses are like but yeah, like I said, I feel like this is a great style for all hair textures, because if you have curly coily hair, you can do like a quick like wash and go kind of thing onto your hair, that makes your curls pop. You got wavy hair, do whatever you do to help your hair be like in that natural state of wavy or that natural state of curly. If you have straight hair, this works great too. Like, that's why I say I think this is just a great style, because it adds a little extra something to your hairstyle without having to do too much. You don't have to add like heat to your hair if you don't want to. You don't have to straighten it, you don't have to curl it. Like, you just literally take and do these little rubber band things, which I love to do on my little cousin's hair, which I've actually done a video on my little cousin's hair, so I will pop that up in here somewhere in the cards in the description box, so you guys can go watch that one. But basically, I did like a little triangle shape in her hair, but on this one, I wanted this one, like I said, to create this like waterfall coming from the side, kind of giving you that throwback to Alicia Keys when she used to rock her braids on the side and with her hair coming over onto one side. That's what we're going to be doing here, guys. Oh, it's going to be so pretty. So basically, you decide how far over you want to take this. So I went from like the ear section over to like the center part, because I didn't want to go too far over. So I kind of stopped in the center of the head, which you guys will see. And I was going to just do these rubber band things all the way across, but then I was like, I kind of want to pop in a braid. Also, this is a great hairstyle if you or your kid has a little color in the front but not in the back. It showcases all of that. Also, this is summertime. I really love to put a little extra color into my little cousin's hair for the summer. We do like the chalk hair color that you can wash out. Now that she's older, she's 11, we do hair rinse, because she has medium brown hair. So her hair will pick up that color without it being like too bold. It's kind of like a peekaboo. Like, we can tell now. I put like blue in her hair. You could see it when it was out in the sun, but it kind of made it look a little black because it was dark. And then a few washes after that, I put a purple rinse into her hair. And at first you couldn't really see it. You could see parts of it. You could see it in the sun really well. But she just washed it and it looks amazing. Like, you can see it. You're like, oh, that's awesome. It's so cute. So I wonder what color we're going to do next, because blue is her favorite color. I like the purple in her hair and how it looks now. But we'll see, because rinse they're like harmless. They're not going to damage the hair. They can create a little extra shine into the hair if you use the right ones. So I like to add a little bit of that into her hair, especially as she gets older. It's a way of her being able to keep her hair healthy, but also experiment with color a little bit. So we like to do that. Also keeping her a little young, because she is only 11. Like, I'm like, yeah, no, we're not going to be around here with fire bright red hair. But if you want to pop a little color in where you can see it a little bit, but it's not the first thing you see all the time, then yeah. Also, I love when I want to do that, like really bold, kind of like in your face. That's why I like to use the chalk ones, because for her they will last a few days, because we don't wash. She has curly hair. We don't wash her hair every day. But if you have hair that you wash every day, it's a simple like, oh, I want purple hair today. You take that purple hair chalk and you put it into the hair, and then you wash it out when you get in the tub at night. And they're back to their regular hair color, and then you can give them a different color the next day. From us, it's like, okay, this is wash day. What color do you want? Put the color in. It stays in there a few days. It will like wear off little by little, but it's a cute little change up for your kids, especially during the summertime. I love doing it in summertime. I feel like summertime is when you really get creative with the colors. Like, just try something different. Make it look cute. And so we're going to continue to keep this going on. So like I said, I really didn't originally plan on doing braids in this look. It was all going to be these little rubber band things. But then I was like, throwing the braids. So I'm going to continue to do that all the way across. Oh gosh, y'all, I got to stop doing that. My head hurts so badly. Sinuses. Do y'all ever? I like literally went outside and I feel like I have the biggest headache. I'm like, all I did was walk outdoors, y'all. That's how bad my sinuses have gotten. Ugh. I just love this color though. I kind of want to redo it. I feel like it's fading, but I can't tell if it's fading or if it's always been this faded, because this is my mannequin that I want to say they told me it wouldn't lighten up a lot. That's what it was. So I think I was gonna like pop some blonde in there, but it wouldn't get blonde enough. But it takes good dark color. But I kind of want to put like a different color in there. I don't know. What color should I try? Especially since it does not lighten up a lot. Like I can't get it a good enough blonde, enough light in it, to really do some big bold colors. As y'all can see, it took the red pretty well. And y'all can see right there, that's that blonde piece. I don't think I really put anything over it, because it started off kind of like a light brownish blonde, right? So it's not that far with like kind of like an orange tint to it, right? It's not that far from the color it was. And that's the problem. I needed to be like, I wanted it to be way lighter so I could really try some colors. Like a good fiery red or rose gold or something. Like, I don't know. Oh, that would have been nice if I could have gotten it platinum blonde. Probably not on mannequin, but okay. So yeah. Whew, y'all, my head. I feel so stuffy. Oh my god, maybe that's what it is. I just feel stuffy. Y'all get to hear about how stuffy I feel while watching this. Like I said, so this is a great style if you have curly hair, straight hair, wavy hair, different hair textures in your hair. This is, I just feel like you work with what you have when you do styles like this, unless you want to try something different. But like, I feel like it's a great style, especially when you have younger girls and you're teaching them to really love their hair texture. Great hairstyle. It gives them a little extra something, but also gives them a chance to see and appreciate their hair. That's what I want. That's all I want. That's all I want. I just want these babies to appreciate their little hair. I want them to appreciate those curls, those coils, that straight hair, the sandy blonde hair, the black hair, the brown hair, all of it. I keep getting text messages from people. Y'all, I've been getting those spam like text messages from people. Um, and I hate when other people like reply back. Just don't reply. Just delete it. Just delete it. Ugh, I just feel so stuffy, y'all. I know I should. I don't even know what's going on because I looked down for like 2 seconds to delete the text message. But like I said, this was the mannequin that I just styled the other day with that stretched out rod set. It was about a week ago, actually. Um, and she's been kind of tossed around the room, so she has some of the waves still left. Like I said, this mannequin does not really hold curls or waves well. Um, and then y'all see that little part. Y'all know the story of this. My little cousin cut her hair a few years back, trying to be like me, want to cut the mannequin's hair. So I was trying to like put it in there where it wouldn't stick up too badly because I didn't feel like putting product on it because I need to wash her and create another style. So basically that's what I did, and then I just decided, hey, let's flat iron her. Because I didn't feel like, honestly, I just didn't feel like curling her. I was trying to make this quick. I was trying to film some more videos last night. That did not happen. It's okay. But also, you guys know I'm always watching something when I'm doing this. And I was watching Friends last night. I'm in like the last few seasons. So I started to watch Friends because I had watched them, but I don't think I ever watched them in order. Like I would watch them when they came on, like Nick and Night. Um, so I don't think I've ever watched it completely, fully through from beginning to end, and that's what I started doing. Like when it was on Netflix, and then it got taken off of Netflix, and now we have HBO Max. So I'm like, let me finish watching it all the way through, cause y'all know all I watch is like The Office. Oh, and I just got finished watching the whole series of The Nanny. Like I had seen that a few times too, because that used to be my mom's show growing up. Like my mom loved The Nanny. Um, so I feel like I've seen like all the episodes, but I just want to go back and start watching it from the beginning, and it's so good. And I can't believe they like didn't go past 6 seasons because it was really good. Um, yeah, I don't know what I'm saying, y'all. I'm so stuffy. My head just started like spinning. Um, okay, so I'm just flat ironing. Look how nice it looks. Like there, when I tell y'all, there's nothing on that hair but that setting lotion that I put on there from when I. Oh wait, so there is some more stuff on there, right? There's setting lotion, and then I put oil sheen on top of it when I got done. So this is like literally all that's on this mannequin's hair while I'm straightening it. I didn't even know it could get this straight. I don't think I ever really ever straightened this one because I'm like it's already straight. So I normally just use it to do like roller sets and rod sets and stuff like that. But I'm like, ooh, this is like really enjoyable. um so I was having a little too much fun like straightening out that. It actually took me a lot longer than it was supposed to take to do this, but like I was having so much fun. Like I hadn't straightened hair in a long time. There's been a long time since I flat ironed my hair, and I don't put heat on my little cousin's hair other than like occasionally sitting on the dryer with a deep conditioning treatment on her hair. But I do no heat to her hair really. I haven't put heat on my hair in a while just because I've been like wearing braids. Um, I'm trying to think, like I really haven't had heat like at all. Like other than sitting my mannequins on the dryer. There I hadn't used my flat irons in so long. Oh my gosh. Just realized. Um well, just look how soft and look how silky that is. I don't know why I'm so excited about that, but I am. I just love watching people flat iron people's hair. We talked about this in the last video. I just love watching people flat iron other people's hair. And I know this is a mannequin and like whatever. She's gonna be in a different style in like another hour or two, depending on how my head feels. I'm trying to catch up on my videos. But I'm just so stuffy. My head hurts so bad. Oh my gosh. And I can tell my sinuses are draining because I'm nauseous. Anybody else have that issue where your sinuses start to drain? You feel like you're going to throw up? Yes, that's me. Look at that color. I just want to do another color on her because I feel like she's just like, she need a touch up. But now I want to do like a whole different color. Oh my god, are we going to do more color? Are we going to do more color? I don't know. Because I don't want her to be like, I don't want her to be like purple or green or blue or any of that, but I do want to do a different color on her hair. I want her to be like brighter. I want the red. I think I want to do somewhat like what she has now, but with more variations of color tones. I want her to have more red. I want her to have some oranges. I want her to have some blondes. I think I want to do that color, that family color. Should I wait till the fall? I want it to be like really, really bold red with some bold oranges and some bold blondes. But I don't know if she's gonna be able to do that because she does not lighten up a lot. Which I was warned about when we got her in cosmetology school, because everybody, as soon as they saw this one, they were like, oh, the colors I'm gonna do on her, and they're like, oh well, she doesn't lighten that much, you can make her darker. So I never really touched her. Like when I colored her this color, which was not last year, in 2020, right? In 2020. Oh wait, that was last year. Oh wow, that was last year. Okay, so when I did this hair color, was the first time I colored her, and I didn't know how she was gonna take to the black roots that I put on her on her roots, or if she was gonna lighten up, because I remember somebody saying that she doesn't do well with taking color, and I was like, maybe she'll bleach, but it was the opposite. Like she can take color, she just doesn't bleach well. Um, yeah, so we'll see. We'll see, guys, because I really want to try to like make this a little bit more gem colored, like very shiny, very bright, very cute. Like I can see it in my head. I'm gonna have to do a whole bunch of weaving. I'm gonna have to go get some more foils and some more color because I think I'm totally out of any of these colors. I have one more box of red hair color dye. Like I told y'all last year when I was not going out, that I was just using what I had, and I had like box color from when my sister bought like box color because it was on sale, because she used to work at like a store, so when stuff would go on sale she'd pick up random things here and there. And we had like hair color that was sitting in a box. And I was like, okay, well, I'm just gonna use this, like not on my hair though, because I don't do box color. I don't really do color on my hair either. I just do rinse. But like, that's what mannequins are for. You can go, I wonder what this is gonna look like. Bleach the mannequin's hair, because if you screw up and it falls out, it's okay. You just buy another mannequin. But yeah, guys, this is the end. Isn't it cute? I just love how straight her hair got. So I'm going to show y'all the top in a second. There y'all go. Oh, look at that. That is so cute. Like, imagine walking into school on a first day. That is so cute. Yes. Y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and that bell button, because I will be dropping more content for you guys coming up. And until next time, peace out. Much love, and thank you guys for watching.